Here we will discuss the construction of AC generator or alternator. It has main two parts. One is named as stator, the other one rotor. Stator is of laminated construction. Lamination is done in order to reduce eddy current losses. Choice of material is steel in order to reduce hysteresis losses. It carries armature winding and core has slots in inner periphery for holding the armature winding. In the case of rotor, it carries field winding supplied with DC through two slip rings by separate DC source. Rotor can be classified as salient pole rotor or projecting type, non-salient pole rotor, cylindrical type. Now let's discuss the features of salient pole rotor. Poles are projected out from the surface of the rotor. Poles are mounted on flat circular steel frame which is fixed to the shaft of the alternator. Individual field pole windings are connected in series in such a way that when the field windings is energized by the DC exciter, adjacent pole attain opposite polarity, used for low speed and medium speed alternator. It has large diameter and short axial length. Large number of poles are used. In cylindrical type, number of slots are on the periphery. Regions that form poles are left unslotted. It is used in high-speed alternator, so small number of poles are used. Thank you. Hope this video is informative. Like and share the video and subscribe to Mu Academy YouTube channel.